Hey there! Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add a block quote to an email in Gmail. This is perfect for highlighting important statements or sharing a memorable quote, making your emails look more professional and organized. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser and click on the Compose button on the left-hand side. A new email window will pop up. This is where you'll type your message. Now, decide which text you want to emphasize. Type out your quote directly into the email. Once it's ready, click and drag to highlight the text. Highlighting is essential because it tells Gmail exactly which part of your message you want to format. Next, look for the formatting options icon below your email. It looks like a letter A with a paintbrush. Click on it to reveal more formatting tools. Within these options, you'll see a small drop-down menu. Click it and look for the quote icon, which resembles quotation marks. Clicking this will instantly turn your highlighted text into a block quote. You'll notice your quote is now indented and styled differently, making it stand out from the rest of your email. This not only draws attention, but also gives your message a clean, professional look. And that's it. Adding a block quote in Gmail is simple, but it can make a huge difference in how your message is received. Try it out in your next email and see how it elevates your communication. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.